today I'm gonna make some vegetable rice with pork chops. Let's start. So this is the pork chops, okay? All right, this is my pork chops, and this is my flour that I'm gonna use to fry my pork chops, okay? And this is my vegetable that I'm gonna put in my rice. All right, so let me put this over here. And this is what I'm gonna use to season up my pork chops: some salt, all right, and some ginger powder, some black pepper, all right. I'm gonna put here it is, some garlic, all right, and some steak season, all right. And this, I'm gonna use this to wash my I'm gonna use this to wash my pork chops, just a little bit, just to wash it, okay. And guys, this is my butter that I'm gonna put in my rice, okay. So you wash your hand, make sure your hand is clean, guys, before you touch the meat, okay. Very important. All right, so this is my pork chops. I'm washing my pork chops. Okay, guys, so that's enough. Okay, I wash my hands again, so the meat is on my hands, guys. Okay, guys, so this is the ginger, okay. Use like a half a teaspoon of ginger, guys, okay. All right, guys. And guys, I'm gonna put some steak season, okay. So this is my steak season. I'm gonna put like a teaspoon of steak season over it, okay. So that is my steak season, guys. And a half a teaspoon of garlic, guys, okay. So that's my garlic. That's enough garlic, okay. And some salt. Just be careful with the salt, okay. And guys, it's like a half a teaspoon of salt, okay. All right, guys, so this is it. So I'm gonna just stir it up and put it aside and leave it for a couple minutes, and then I'm gonna show you how to fry it, okay. All right, so this is it, guys. I'm just gonna cover it up and leave it for a while. All right, now I'm gonna show you about the rice, okay. The rice now, guys. All right, guys, so this is 2 cups of rice, guys, okay. And this is another 2 cups of rice, guys, okay. All right, guys, if you're cooking, guys, or if you're cooking 1 cup of rice, guys, you're gonna need 2 cups of water, okay. And if you're cooking 2 cups of rice, guys, you're gonna need like 4 cups of water, okay. But this is 4 cups of rice I'm cooking. All right, I'm not gonna measure my water because I'm basically know how much water to go in there. But for you, if you don't know, just measure it, okay. And don't forget, if you're cooking 1 cup of rice, you're gonna need 2 cups of water. All right. And if you're cooking 2 cups of rice, you're gonna need 4 cups of water. All right. And the rice always, guys, between 15 to 20 minutes for the rice to cook, okay. And always put it on low heat. All right, you can put it on low heat or medium heat, so you don't want your rice to burn, and you want your rice to take its time and cook, okay. And always wash your rice, guys. It's very important to wash your rice. See that, guys? The water is dirty, so you need to wash your rice. The rice is dirty. You definitely want to wash your rice. Okay? Alright, guys, I'm going to wash it one more time and then show you what I'm going to put into my rice. Okay? Alright, guys, so I'm going to put some salt, guys. I'm going to put like a teaspoon of salt. You don't want to salt the rice, but you want the rice to have flavor, okay. What I'm gonna do now, guys, I'm gonna put some butter. Okay. If you want to put some butter, you can go ahead, and if you want to put a drip of oil, you can put like two tablespoons of oil, all right, or 3 tablespoons of oil in your rice, okay? But for me, I'm gonna put butter, okay? And you want your rice to have a flavor, you know? So this is my rice, okay? So I'm gonna put it on the stove. All right, once it's done, I will show you how it looks, okay? This is my hive, guys, and I'm gonna throw some black pepper in my flour, guys. You can throw some black pepper and some salt, all right, in your flour, all right, guys, because you're gonna fry right now the pork chops, okay? So I put some salt and some black pepper in this, okay, guys? So now I'm gonna put it on medium heat, guys, okay? So you just put some flour on your pork chops, okay, guys? Make sure your hand is clean if you're going to touch it. All right. You take time and you put your pork chops in. Okay. All right, guys. You take your time and you put your pork chops in. Make sure it's well floured. Okay. Just shake it off like this. And you put your pork chops in, guys. All right. And this is my, guys, this is my rice. Okay, this is my rice, guys. My rice already cooked. Make sure you cover your rice, okay? It's very important for you to cover your rice. All right, so you want your rice steam out. So cover your rice, okay? So right now, my pork chops right now is frying, guys. Okay? Okay, guys. So this is the rice, okay? Now I'm going to throw my vegetables, all right? I did not put my vegetable at first, guys, because I didn't want my vegetable to mash out, okay? So I put my vegetable last because my rice almost finished, okay? But you can put the vegetable in your rice when you just start, but for me, I don't want it mashed out, okay? So this is the vegetable in my rice. So now I'm going to cover it up back for about 5 minutes. All right, for it to dry out really nice. All right, so this is it, guys. Okay, so this is the guys, so this is the pork chops, guys. This is it. So now I'm just taking them out. Okay, these are my pork chops, guys. So guys, what you can do, you can fry your pork chops 5 minutes on each side, okay? You can put it on, not too low though, put it on medium heat, because what happened, I put it on high heat before, and then now when it's fried nicely, then I put it on low heat. As you can see, this is only 4, and then I put it on medium. You know, sometimes you can put it on high. All right, just watch it, okay? You don't want it to burn, because what happened is the outside will fry, and then when you cut it, the inside don't fry. You don't want that, okay? You want it to be well done inside and out. All right, so you can fry, make it fry 5 minutes or 4 minutes on each side. All right, okay, guys. Hey guys, so my rice is finished, guys. So what I do, I put a file paper over the rice so it can steam. Okay, so it's finished now, and my pork chops is finished. All right, so I fry my pork chops. So this is the pork chop. So I'm going to share it right now. Okay, this is my food, guys. My vegetable rice, my pork chops, and my vegetable. All right, and I have some ketchup here and some hot sauce. Okay, so guys, if you watch my video and you like it, please give it a thumbs up and share. Okay, all right, thank you so much for watching my video. God bless you.